If you want to set up game emulation on OpenEmu using macOS the right way, clean, organized, and working smoothly, this is the full setup in 2026. I'll keep it simple and beginner friendly. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss Mac setup guides like this. First, download OpenEmu from the official OpenEmu website. Install it like a normal Mac app and launch it. The first time you open it, it'll ask which console cores you want installed. Select the systems you plan to use. You can always add more later in preferences. Next, organize your ROM files. Create a folder on your Mac called something like ROMs and keep everything sorted by console. Drag your legally owned ROM backups directly into OpenEmu. It automatically detects the system and adds artwork. Now set up controllers. Go to OpenEmu, Settings, Controls, then connect your controller via USB or Bluetooth. OpenEmu supports PlayStation, Xbox, and many third-party controllers natively. Map buttons if needed and test input before launching a game. For the best performance, go into System Preferences, Arrow Privacy, and Security, and make sure OpenEmu has permission for input monitoring if macOS asks. This prevents controller or keyboard issues. If a game won't launch, check that you have the correct BIOS files for systems that require them. Some consoles like PlayStation need BIOS files placed in the correct folder. OpenEmu will prompt you if one is missing. Pro tip: enable shader smoothing and integer scaling in the video settings for sharper visuals without stretching the image. It makes retro games look cleaner on modern displays. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with the console you're trying to emulate and I'll walk you through the exact setup for it.